Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send an underlined message on Telegram chat. If you enjoy keeping your chats neat or you want to highlight something important, this little formatting trick will make your messages stand out. Let's get started right away. First, open Telegram on your phone. Once the app is open, go ahead and choose the chat where you want to send the message. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. It works the same way everywhere. Next, type your message in the chat box just like you normally would. You can write a simple phrase, a sentence, or even a full paragraph. The underlining feature lets you emphasize any part of it, so type out what you want to say first. Now, tap and hold the exact word or sentence you want to underline. After holding it for a second, you'll see a few editing options appear above your keyboard or message area. This is where the fun begins. From there, tap the three dots that usually appear on the right side of that menu. This will open additional formatting options. Look for the one that says Underline and tap it. That's a step that transforms your chosen text into an underlined message. It only takes a second, but it gives your text a clear and polished look. Once your text looks perfect with the underline applied, just tap send. When the message appears in the chat, you'll see the underlined word or sentence displayed exactly how you formatted it. That's all it takes to send an underlined message on Telegram. It's a quick and easy way to make your messages look more organized or to draw attention to important details. Now, you can confidently use this formatting style whenever you want your chats to look a bit more professional or expressive. Make sure to explore the other formatting tools too, like bold, italic, and monospace to give your messages even more personality. Thanks for watching.